morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Javier and this is Fast TV. Guys, today we're over at O'Reilly in beautiful Pensacola, Florida, and we're here to check out the Exotics car show. So this is something they usually do about quarterly or so here in the Pensacola market. So as usual, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna show you some of the cool rides that are here, and then from there we're gonna be heading on out to Rolling by the Bay for their day 2 of the event. But for now, let's go check out these awesome rides.
So cool. Yeah, just watch your feet.
Brandon, give me a hand, we'll pull you out. It's a little bit weird because you got the exhaust on the side. It makes it hard to get in.
Oh, is it?
See all this? You got the big, it's hard to get over.
Yeah.
But look first.
Yeah, there you go. It's not really happening. There you go.
Can you reach the pedal or no? No, can you reach the one on the left? Push that pedal on the left all the way down. All the way down, all the way down. All right, ready?
There you go. You almost have it, buddy.
You gotta be on the line.
Come on, guys.
Is that everybody?
All right, ready, guys? Shake and bake.
Shake and bake.